Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is the Rajesh our YouTube channel, and today I will teach you the connective tissues. In connective tissues, several types of the connective tissues available here. So with the help of several examples and several techniques and terms and technology, we will say technical word. We will say certainly define one by one so that you can understand it well and aggregate a good marks in your examination, upcoming examinations and shape your futures. So first of all, we will describe here the connective tissue one by one, and then we will try to know the chemistry of the bloods. So chemistry of the bloods, and also different types of connective tissue: bones, blood, bones, cartilage, and also blood, bones, cartilage, and different types of the connective tissues available here. With the help of that examples, we will try to understand one by one. So here is the connective tissue. Connective tissue. Connective tissue. Connective tissue. This is the connective tissue. It is supportive, protective. It is supportive, protective, and also loosely packed tissue. Loosely packed tissue. Tissue. Living 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 cell and embedded living cells, and also living cells and embedded in matrix embedded in matrix, living cells embedded in matrix, and it is matrix. It is dense liquid. It is liquid, or it is dense liquid, or we can say that's liquids, and also we can say that dense liquids connective. It is dense and liquid connective tissue. Dense and liquid connective tissues, which is actually living and dense and connective tissue, that was it is many types. First, if we try to understand, first will be blood, second blood, bones, third ligament, fourth tendon, fourth ligament, tendons, and areolar tissue, and six, that is called adipose tissue, and many more. So first we will take the bloods. Here is the blood. Blood is blood. How we will describe the blood? So blood and blood, it is a fluid or liquid connective tissues. It is fluid or liquid. It is fluid or liquid connective tissue. Fluid or liquid connective tissue that is color different in colors, and livings, different in colors, livings, also carry oxygen and other harmful gaseous transportation throughout the body, throughout the bodies. So here we will have try to understand the chemistry of blood. So chemistry of blood. Here is the chemistry of blood. We will study the chemistry of blood. Suppose that this is the blood. What is this? This is blood. Blood. And the blood can be defined, can be divided into two parts. Suppose let's say here is that some not a space enough in space, so we will take here so one by one. Here is the blood, and blood are further divided into two types. Blood plasma. It is 60 to 65% of total bloods, and blood corpuscles. It is 40 to 45% of total blood. Okay. So further we will divide the blood plasma and the blood corpuscles. These blood plasma and blood corpuscles, as we know that blood plasma and blood corpuscles further divide into three parts: RBC, BC, WBC, and here is the platelets. RBC is also known as erythrocyte. This is leukocyte, and some WBC, and the platelets is thrombocyte. Erythrocyte, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. Now for the leukocyte divided into WBC divided into two parts. That is called A granulocyte. Here is the granulocytes. A granulocytes and granulocytes. Granules contain seeds. It's not granule contain seeds. A granulocytes are because it's a total WBC as a percentage of the A granulocytes, and granulocytes can be divided into two parts. Granulocyte divided into two parts: monocytes and lymphocytes. Monocytes and lymphocytes. Further, monocytes and lymphocytes. Lymphocyte divided into further two parts: B lymphocytes, and it's a T lymphocyte. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. And for the A granulocytes and platelets, here is the some T lymphocytes, acidophils, basophils, neutrophils, and it is platelets. Granulocyte divided into further three parts. That is called acidophils, basophils, and neutrophils. Acidophils first, second, third. Here is first, second, third. Acidophils is called eosinophils. Acidophils, basophils, and neutrophils. Eosinophils, acidophils, and basophils, and neutrophils. It's called eosinophils. So here is the chemistry of blood. So we are discussing here acidophils, basophils, and neutrophils. Acidophils is said to be the eosinophils. And here is the platelets. There are 13 types of the platelets. We know that 13 types of platelets is here. So we can discuss here platelets. Platelets are 13 in types. One by one, so if we discuss the platelets, we will varied here about the platelets, and the platelets can be defined here different point of view. So first of all, so we will try to understand that what is the platelets and how we can define it's one by one. So platelets is can be defined here one a systematic way. It is a 13 types of platelets is defined as it is 13 type. First 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and the 13. I hope you are watching the 13 types of the blood platelets. First here is the fibrinogen. Fibrinogen. Second is prothrombin. 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 Third is platelets factor. Platelets factor third. And the fourth here is calcium ion. Calcium ions. Fifth is labile factors. Labile factors. Sixth is here accelerate factor. Accelerate factors. Fifth here is sixth accelerate factors. Now seventh is here stable factors. Stable factors. And then after further we will say AHFC factors. AHFC factors. Here is the 8 AHFC factors. 9 factors is PTC factors. PTC factors. 10th is here PTA factors. Sorry, 10th is here is the 9th PTC factor. Stuart factors. Stuart factors. 11th is here, so we can say there's a Stuart factors. 9 10 PTC factors, PTA factors. Sorry, PTC factors. After PTC factors, Stuart factors, PTA factors. PTC factors, Stuart factor, PTA factors. And then 12 is so we can say that's clot promoting factors. Clot promoting factors. And the last 13 is here fibrinogens. Fibrinogens factors. Fibrinogens that involves a fibrinogens that forms a prothrombinase, and step by step it's responsible. These all factors are responsible for blood clottings, and one by one so blood clottings takes place here. So these are the blood and the chemistry of blood. We had studied much about the bloods. I hope that you better understand the chemistry of bloods, and the bloods it's a liquid connection. Thank you very much for coming on my channel. Once again I will told you that if you see everything one by one, so you will certainly understand that what am I telling you and what you will do and how will you observe it. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.